Good evening, everyone. We fine. Seems like it. So last time I was doing VIP, and I was stuck with pointers here. And after the stream, I actually went and read about pointers a little bit more. And as usual, Minibomb was right. When you create a pointer of a type and you add a number, just random number to this pointer, it thinks that you are adding this amount of the same type. So that's why this offset was jumping 2 times wider than it's supposed to go. So this thing works because I'm kinda making a byte pointer and I'm adding amount of bytes with this offset. One thing which I can do so it looks better is to change it back to short pointer, but get the offset divided by type, by size of type. So then it will be basically the same. But again, because it's like first iteration and I will be changing stuff here, specifically I will not pass hospital data offset in each event which I need. I will create a separate structure as I was doing. Where is my repo for this stuff? So so at the end, this hospital data structure will be created in this code, and I will not be using offset and touching things by offset like that. I will just create a pointer to this structure of hospital data, and I will just use the fields from this structure. So for now, I will leave it like that, and when I will be moving this stuff out, I will fix it. Okay, so for now, I made, where is the command? I will have to move all of these commands into the corresponding folders at one point because that's annoying to search here. It's the wrong place. I think it must be here. It must be in manager run. Not in the manage. Where is it? This. Okay, here. And whoop. So when we run VIP, I'm setting days to 0. Then I'm waiting for the stage 2. That's after you accept it. I drop wait time so it appears immediately. And then we are waiting here until it's done. The thing is, I will have to later change this so it will not stuck indefinitely here if user decides to skip this VIP, which is bad, but we can't prevent it. Or actually, I think I can, but then it will not spawn this pop-up. So jumped straight to the stage 2. But no, we will not do this. So drop wait time. Now I need to get stage until it's so 2 is accepting and waiting, 3 is touring, and I think 4 we need. So when this is 4, we are setting set score. Fly away, please. And we need manager set score. Void VIP manager set score. What's wrong? Void. Ah, okay, everything fine. Score. Core. So it should be passed here. How we did it here? So we are passing severity 3 here. And here we will pass score. Previous time I made the system from 1 to 5. And this is here. Just on which side I should do this? Just by logic, game shouldn't care about manipulations with a score. And it should only know about its own score system. So if I decide to change here, I don't need to change here. So command. I think I will just use a muff here. Not pass. I need to duplicate this. Can I do this in place? Docs StreamerBot. I don't know how to get to this page, so we will search. I think it must be in set argument somewhere. But okay. So we got system from 1 to 5 on the channel. And in the game from 0 to 14, I think. GitHub core 6 th. Need to find this repo. Specs format, I think. Core. Yeah, from 0 to 14. Just I can't blindly multiply by 3, because if person will set 1 by 3, it will be 3. But if it's set 5, it will be 15, which is overflow for this. Score minus 5 to 10. Score less than minus 5, or a possible. What? What does this mean? Strange. I remember it's working from 0 to 14. You can't pass minus. Okay. So we need -1 additionally. We will get raw input apparently from here. VIP. Why it's enabled? Disabled on Twitch. That's strange. Why Diablo points count as enabled? Okay, so VIP requires input. If I will test it, raw input 0. So here I will emulate raw input. And I will pass here two ifs. Where is the core logic? If raw input less than 1 will break. Then duplicate. Also, if it's greater than 5, it will also break. VIP error range. No, score error. And we will just for now I will not add any meaningful commands here, only log. Core misc call. So raw input is wrong core. And in this if we need to select this action. Okay, now we got raw input, and here we will variable score, which will be muff. Where is it? Length variable muff. Okay, so muff raw input by 3 by 5, yeah, by 3 minus 1. So if input will be 1, it will be 2, and input 5 will give us 15 minus 1, 14. So we will not overflow, but we will not get 0 in the system. So the minimum will be 2. Or I can change from 0 to 4, and then we will make it like that, and we will get 0 and 12 maximum. Just I don't want to make additional checks. Okay, let's leave it from 1 to 5 for now. Okay. So now if I will test this, we should get score row input 3 and score must be 8. Where is score is 8. Okay. Now execute. Engine. We need to pass this here somewhere. Reward message and command VIP public int core. Int score. Okay, here we are getting property name, there we are getting all props. Here we are just checking args, that they contain every property from the command. And to parse them, I need this. There's so many stuff. Okay, so now we are sending the correct command. Now, when we parse this command, we need to add this to the type. Where the commands, command VIP, integer core. Core. Parse, okay. So manager will be this core, or I can just make like that. Too many arguments in function call, yes. It's manager of, I'm losing thread. Score. Now, where? Here. And score. Now we need score offset, which for some reason is not here yet. Calculator, come here. Up. Graphic, no. Where is my structure? Now, VIP game clock 499. 499. It's 1F3. So it's double word VIP. How should I call it? Actually, it's not a game clock. It's timeout. Okay, we will think about it later. Game clock. And this offset is 1F3. Interesting. Side quest again. Ghidra struct editor offset in hex. Can I change? Show number in hex. I thought about it and I immediately forgot where. Edit tools, option, editors. Tools option. Editors. Structure. Nice. There is only one option. Show in hex. It would be nice if I could use hex and usual numbers at the same time. But okay. At least like that. Okay, VIP game clock 1F3. Then VIP object index. It's short. VIP object index 0x1F5. Oh, it's 7, it's 4 bytes. Then oh, that was here all this time. Okay, I can change it like that. Nice to know. 2 bytes. Byte. VIP score, which I actually need. Interesting. Can I actually use tabs here also? So names also. Aligned. But will it compile like that? I don't know. Because it's spaces. I think it will not compile. Okay. We'll deal with it later. Nice. Okay. VIP score. is offset 1FB. And the next one is C, which is VIP. It was VIP stage. 1FB. It was A. AB. F VIP days from last. One FA stage. Okay. So I right now need one FB. Core. One FB. Where is this? So we need to grab VIP score. Offset VIP. Score offset. And we need to set this EIP score to our score. Should work. Next, after we set the score, we are waiting for the done. And we done for now returns false. Oh, let me grab this. It's emergency next. I need emergency. This. So I also can remove this thing. I will copy this loop. Just with a VIP, it's a little bit harder because the time he spends in your hospital depends on the size of your hospital. So I can't wait like 5 minutes because sometimes it can take much longer. Here I was waiting for stage. Basically, I can only wait while emergency stage 0. It was waiting for it to start. Now I need to... no. Because I'm waiting here, and I think in Quake I did the same. I'm waiting just for the start. For Quake, I was waiting for stage 4 until it's not stage 4. So in emergency, I waited while the pop-up is coming out. Here, I was waiting for the second wave. Because one, it's start, second small wave, 3 is wait, 4 is the second wave, main wave. While get stage. The cool 4 we again can do. Rona and thread. Come here. Wait duration. It's basically timeout. Where I set this. Wait duration. Okay. VIP manager, where are you? This. Chrono. Like 15 minutes. Wait duration. Will it build? Hello, Roxanne on Kick. It will be amazing if you made everyone T-pose as they walked for the funny. I don't think it's possible in Theme Hospital at all, because there is no such sprite. Let me check. As far as I remember, there is no way to do this. I turned every ride in theme park into Homer Simpson. Interesting. Just Theme Hospital uses a limited set of sprites. You can make new sprites and make them typos, but it's above my pay grade, so to speak. I don't have a unpacked sprites for Theme Hospital on me right now. Underrated game is Theme Park DS. I love that one. Theme Park DS. They only on DS. That's why I didn't play it. Let me look. Okay, the graphics is something. In this kinda wait a second. A theme park has this really annoying mechanics. You can see how guests feel. One emotion was you're making too much money. They wouldn't spend anything else at your park. About roller coasters, I only played Roller Coaster Tycoon 2, I think. Yeah, I really liked this game. The second one. They also got emotions like this. So apparently they was inspired one by another. Hello user, didn't catch the end of stream yesterday. You finished the cowboy game. No, I finished the basically structure of scenes and that was all. My first Tycoon game was Dino Park Tycoon. I heard about but never played. So basically zoo with dinos apparently, yep. Any gameplay? I'm also, yeah. Same. Yeah, there's a lot of old Tycoon games. What the name? SimCity 3000 is on Steam. 3000? I remember 2000, but not 3000. Ah, no, wait a minute. That's what I played. It was 3000? Or I played both of them. Yeah, and this I also played. Yeah. This is also just awesome game. But City Skylines right now is just... ugh. I barely played 2K or 3K. Yeah, I barely played 2K. I played a lot in 3K. Oil Tycoon, I think there was a game. No, I want old one. 2000s. Huh. There was an old Oil Tycoon game. He was playing as a oil company. If you were to make a full production game, what kind would it be? Oh, I wanted to make one game, but I never was able to do it. I think you can call it like a management game. So when I played in City Skylines, most of the time I actually spent not building city. I discovered where is it? City Skylines. I discovered a mode about traffic. I don't know if I will be able to find it right now. So by default, traffic is awful in City Skylines, but someone made a mod and it opens you the complete like control over traffic. So you can set from which lane they can turn, where they can turn, like set timing for the traffic signals. There was a lot of stuff and I was just playing in basically in this mod. And I felt why no one, yeah, this one, Traffic Plus Plus, why no one did a separate game like this. So you have a city with awful traffic and you need to like change lanes, intersections, traffic lights settings to like make traffic better. It's just I was spending so much time with this. So you can actually remove traffic lights, place just signs if you need. There is a lot of things. So it opens like this things for lanes you can make, so they can turn only from right on both lanes. You can change speed limits per lane, I think, even restrictions for the lanes, so like cargo cars can go to the certain lanes, and that was just enormous mod. So I was basically just spending times setting timings on the traffic lights, and it was awesome for me. So if you get City Skylines, use this Traffic Plus Plus and look at it. It's just oof. It's an awesome. That just sounds fun, yes. And it's really, I don't know, it's satisfying to see how the traffic is like improves. I don't know if they made this for City Skylines too. If they did, that's awesome. Unfortunately, my laptop can't handle any of the City Skylines. And my old PC is not with me right now. So let's get back to our thing. So wait done. I could set it to the second stage, but the problem is right now it will not call this wait done until it's stage 4. So basically this is a useless function right now. If this call for run got here, it means everything was fine. So I basically can remove this and just make a placeholder. Let's try. I built. Now let's start. And you can actually try it yourself. I just need to enable this and give some instruction. Input number from 1 up to 5. Okay. Why it's so loud? So let's try and wait until this another one arrived. I need to load another game. So this one. So anyone for grabs to trigger this VIP? Don't be shy. I don't know everything about him hospital except it can be modded a lot. I actually never tried to search for any mods for Theme Hospital. I know that there's a lot mods for Core 6, which is open source version of Theme Hospital. Okay, let me trigger it. Tick. I'm stupid. I need to inject it first. I forgot. And connect server. Connect. Now it will work. Let me trigger it again. Yep, we got a VIP. Zero original, okay. And he should immediately appear. Yep, there is our VIP. Let me connect a debugger so I can see the score being set correctly. Hospital data, file address, this follow, current dump, and it's 1FB. 1F appearance again broke. F 1F. So 48C. So B is here. Breakpoint. I accidentally hovered over him. So he is setting his score, which is 0. Or it's a D. No, it's a D. And D is 13. But it's supposed to be 8. Yep. Let's wait, because it's supposed to change on stage 4. Somehow he gave us a really good score. Let's change to 8. It's a standard hospital, to be honest. I expected more. 0 being best. The wrong. So he gave us D. It's almost worse. So I messed up here. From 1 to 5, it should be inversed. So it should be 15 minus this. Minus raw input. 15 minus raw input. So if person will give us 5, it will be 0. If 1, it will be 12. So we will be good and in the range. Last time I made how this thing? I don't remember such muff in last version. Where is the swim hospital? And there is score. So I got this, then to number, converting score. Max score minus score by 3. That's exactly what I did. But I did the max score is 14. So it was giving -1, and that's why I'm checking it's less than 0. And if I will make +1, 14 minus 15 plus 1, 0. 14 minus 4 plus 1, 11. It's not bad, just I prefer to have a like meaningful numbers. Right now 15 is like arbitrary number. But 14 it's set in the game. It may be the same formula, but it's more understandable. Let's try. What the hell is this? Why you breakpoint? Let's try again. And we got VIP. No. He's going. He will set again something awful. B. And right now I set it to 3. It should be 4. Ah, 6. What? 3 by 3, it's 9. What? Bytes 6. 3. Let me see. Raw input is 3. 3 by 3 is 9. 14 minutes, 9 is 5. Ah, okay. 6. I counted in the wrong direction. -8. Okay, so this works. He gave us 200. I've seen worse. If I will set 1, come on, mouse. Got VIP. Shaking. So now it should be 11, 12. So D. It's 1, 4, 3, 11, 12. What? Where am I? Why I'm always missing? 10. plus 1. Why? But why it's D then? D, it's from the VIP itself. My score is not set yet. And voila, it changed to C. C is 12. And we got down. And if we will set it to 5 and trigger again. Okay, come on, he arrived. He's going. And we should get a good score of 1. Because I'm 14 now, not 15. So yeah, 0. Yep, and we got the best score, 0. Okay, this is working. Now we need to test the names. How I discovered last time, the name is grabbed from the ID and passed into special function. Where is the hospital? Games here. So language, where is code? So here we got all of our VIPs. I've got some empty spaces here, but I don't think it's enough to fit the name. Just unfortunately, this whole file is loaded into memory like in the sequential order. So if I will place the long string here, it will move the boundaries and it will break the game. Let me open it in binary. Let me check how many actual bytes I got. So this is required and this also, I think. Ronnie, Rocket, no, 0, just a 0. So I can overwrite all of this part. Length is 16 in hex. 22. Just a little bit, even 21, because I can't use this 0. What I did before, I just removed some names and I added placeholder here. But I don't want to modify the game files. Can I do one interesting thing? Can I do it manually, just for test? I can just remove one name and replace with placeholder, but again, and I can do it on the fly, but I don't want to like change the game too much. Other way, I can hijack the function which shows stuff here and just load the string manually there. I found this function already. What I want to try is to get the pointer there is place in the memory lang section. So we got a lot of stuff here. I'll grab this address. So we can see here, this is the addresses of sections. I need section which one? The first one? This one? So this section again contains an addresses of strings. The Minister for Health, the Mayor Great, la 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 la. Okay, so we got this. Each element from here points to address here. So this is 40. 58 is 58 is here. Here. You can see the mayor is getting highlighted. So what I think, they go in sequence. And there is a problem. Section contains a finite number of strings, but immediately after it starts another section. I have no empty space to add here another address. So what I wanted to do is to grab this section, look at the table and find the empty space and add the address in the memory where I can store my name. But unfortunately, it's impossible in this case. it grabs this section and it grabs name index. And I can't like hijack index and swap the name in this index, but actually I can, So section 0 plus name index where is the end of the here? So this is the first argument. The size by 4. Interesting. They got section plus this part. Let me make a breakpoint here. Okay, I already got it. 9F. 9F. Enable. Let's inject them. Breakpoints. Okay. Okay, we got connection. Waiting for connection. Connected. VIP spawn. We got command. We got VIP. So Minister of Health is index 0. Now I need to point at him to trigger. Hop. And we got ourselves a breakpoint. ACX points to the Minister of Health. Okay. So this is the address of string already. Just this in one line is really annoying to read. It's easier to read in assembler. ECX. So EIX goes to the address of a section apparently. Yep, 28 is the address of a section. EDX is the index by 4. So by 4 it's this index, but Object under cursor. What the hell is this? ECX, UX. Section plus index, then again array. Hosp object under cursor, hosp index by hospital data size. Where are we using data size or hospital size even in this function? This 8428. Uh, 8 by 8 by 8 by 4 by 2. Yep, that's the size of the whole hospital data. Too bad I can't fit anything here, but again, I can grab the old address and swap it with a new one. But for this I will have to get the address of this section into my code. Ooh. Of course, I get another variant is to just swap name in the place. So I can just replace this string right now and then return it back. But then I will have to get this address. Anyway, I need some kind of address. Which way is better? Where is the Ghidra? Section. If I will grab this, where is my code? So close everything. Another offset. This correct offset 004. Okay, then. So it's a global. Long text section. Sections. All sections are here. And it's basically will be pointer to array of double words. So like that, we need where is the command? Where are you? So first we need to them set name. It's a manager. Why IP manager void set name. Now void IP manager set name. And we should pass a name here. Commands. Name. Name already was the name of a command, so it will be username. Stdm. Username. You don't know about standard library? Excuse me? No, you should know. Okay, now it's working. So it will be username. Is how I know string is by default a pointer, so it should work. We don't have a second offset, so it will be oh, it's an array of pointers. But again, standard string is by default a pointer. Hello, Mini Bomba. Casting to a standard string seems wrong. We will see. It should be an array of strings. So we got this address, and this section offset is this part of the address. We got array of sections. Each section is a array of strings. That is a strings. So we got basically pointer to the pointer again. Assuming the game was programmed in C or assembly, the string likely is null terminated string, which is usually represented by char pointer. Yeah, I know this kind of stuff, but I kind of trying to use standard string, because basically standard string, it's a alias for char pointer, I think. This string seems placed one right after another. Yep, they like go one after another, but they are zero terminated. If you will see, you will find zero somewhere. There is first zero, so this is the first string, the Minister for Health. Then you can see dot here, it represents zero. It's a stop for the search. And there is another string. So at the end we got char point array of chars. So basically it's a array of chars with a null terminated. Standard string is not equal to char pointer. It's a managed string on the heap. Huh. Let me read a little bit. Standard string, object that represents sequence of characters. So it's a array of characters, okay. The basic string. Locator. they got a lot of other stuff. No, 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 no. I think from string I can grab C-string, which is equivalent to this null terminated string. Yep. So here I can use a string and I will just grab C-string from there. Yeah, we're dealing with C-string, not C++. Anyway, how does the game handle this? Does it just try to skip the first few things, or does it have multiple pointers to the string? So, let me open Ghidra. It grabs the start of a, like this, it's a static address for all the language stuff which in the game. There is an array of sections. It's a pointers to the sections. There is around 66, I see. So around 70 sections. I don't remember exactly the number. I think I can... 67. That's all of them. 67 pointers to the sections. Each section inside get its pointers. So there is this part is one section, then there is another section, and so forth. So let me find back my section. So sections also go one after another, but the order is messed up. Gladly for me, names of the VIP goes in the first in the array, but the name of the section actually is 41. So I need this address. Then I need to grab value from this address. I will get this array of char pointers basically. And there is our char pointers. And it passes the address of a string, so it basically gets address from this array and passes it to this function. What I'm trying to do right now is to grab the section, check which index it should get from this array, and swap address of this string to my string. And after I'm done, I will swap it back. So basically I need to get array of these pointers, and I will be changing pointers inside the array. So basically language sections, it's an array of arrays of char pointers. Sounds good. Just make sure you don't accidentally free your string before swapping it back. Yep. Memory allocation, it's second problem for me. So this is a char array. This is a char pointers. So this is array of char pointers. This is a pointer to the array of chain pointers. So this address points to array of arrays. Yep, I get it right. Also, I'm pretty sure array is equal to star in type defs. It depends, I think. Because if I will make it just like a pointer to the pointer, I will not be able to use indexing. I think it will not understand shit. This then. You probably wouldn't see, not sure about C++. Yeah, me too. I don't know nor C nor C++ good enough for this. So we got module and offset. This is the pointer to char pointer. If we will get value, or first I need like that, and then I need like that. Kinda same-ish. I know a bunch of random facts, have zero experience. Okay, let's try. For me, it's easier to just with a trial and errors. Ghidra, don't cry. I think I can even ignore everything else because language is loaded even here. It's a wrong label. I need lang section. So yeah, we can see that sections are here, and it means that everything is loaded already. Okay, so I can inject and I will find everything from here. But injector doesn't want to connect. Ah, no, a breakpoint is working. Sorry. I don't see it. Now is everything fine, connected. Now let's trigger. And I forgot to add a debugger. Ah, sheesh. I need to disconnect this. Let me note the addresses. So this address, and this address I need. Now we will detach you, attach this. Oh, can I reattach? Is it remember? Reattach. Okay. I forgot one small detail. Is to build the library first. And we got ourselves a new library. Okay. And now all of my addresses goes to shit. Let's reattach. What the hell I pressed? Shift Alt P, not R. Now we need inject. Okay, we got it. And it's easier for me to again run the CheatEngine because it can connect in parallel with the debugger. And I just add manually this offset here. This. And this is 4 bytes. It doesn't know. 004. Where I messed up. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. I messed up with an offset somehow. 004A for DA. No. Okay. I hope here it's correct. C. Shit. I messed up here somehow. DAF60. So a rebuild. Close it. Exit. No, don't save. Now we wait. Fun. Build. Let's run. Shift Alt P and inject. Connected. Okay. Now breakpoint is set. Let's try. Okay, we are here. Module base is this, and offset is this. Voila, we got here address. Correct one. Okay, that's easy. Again, where is my cheat engine? Invalid character in string. Okay, manually address. Decimal. Okay, connect. Keep. So there is our address. It looks like correct because ending is correct. 3B28. Browse memory region. And it's a pointer. And we got this address. And we will check it in the memory. We will see. It shows me the wrong one. Let's copy and add here. String. Yep. So far so good here. But what we got here, let's step. We got section with this address basically, yep. But here we got a problem, how I understand. Because char pointer right now points to here, but it's not a char pointer. It's a pointer to a char pointer. So section itself should be an array. So I need to go one layer deeper. One more level of indirection. Yep. So, yeah. I closed everything. So section. This address contains array. One section contains a lot of pointers. IP name. So like that, we should point to the first name in the array. String being pointers themselves don't make this easier to think about. Yep. apparently it's easy to check. Come on, game, load. Nice. Then inject, connect, and test. We are not connected yet to this server. Now we are here. So this is okay, F60. This is okay. And the VIP name, voila, the Minister of Health. So we got it. Now the interesting part. First of all, here we need to actually get the index for the name. And index for I think I can see it here. Where is the hospital data? Object index. Don't tell me name inside the object. No, VIP name index. What? How I made this? Clock index. I somehow missed this. F9 VIP name index. So offset for VIP name. Do I have it? VIP stage score. No. Double word. Hospital VIP name index offset. Next one F9. Here. Copy this. VIP name index. It's easier for now because it's a byte. Hospital VIP name index offset. So this should get us the correct index, and we should get this index. I need to dereference it. Now, like, thing is, I need to swap it for username is string. No, okay. Username is a string. I think it's a function. Value of char cannot be added to char. const char. Are you serious? Okay, who can explain me difference between const char and char? I know the const doesn't change, but why it thinks that this is a const char? Just try saying directly to the array. Username. Just the problem is that the C string returns constant char pointer, not not just like regular. If I will make const, it will be fun if I can change const. You need to previous edge to sub back right. Yep, I need this. I have no idea what const means in C++. My random knowledge doesn't reach that far. Const expression. Just by logic, const not supposed to be changed. So const and equal something is something strange. Just how I know that if it's const in the class, it like takes less resources to store because program knows that it will not be changed, so it doesn't need to look at it too much, something like that. And yeah, it's a usual like problem with pointers and objects in like JavaScript or C#. You can create const object, and many like newcomers thinks that it will block object from changing, but then they discover that it doesn't. It only prevents to swapping to which object it points, but any data inside this object can be changed easily, because that's not what it does. It just basically locks the pointer to the memory address. So now the problem next. We came to this thing. So I'm passing this, and I'm passing basically the address of this underlying C string. But when I exit this function, it can disappear, I think, and my index will point to nothing. Yeah, I feel like username will be freed. Pass it by reference. Problem that strings already is reference type. We can of course just YOLO and test. Um, Better than possibly copying the string to immediately free it. Maybe. And I also need to save the old one. We of course can create here like also I don't need you anymore. Char pointer VIP name old. Whoop. And again const. What if you just had a swap name function instead that took char pointers and returned the previous char pointer? What? Can you rephrase? You want me to return from this function this char pointer? The function would take a new pointer, it would save the old pointer, replace the game pointer with the new one. And return the old pointer so you can then call the function again with the old pointer to revert changes. Okay. Wait a minute. The problem is that this call is coming from the command. So I will have to save it here. And the input param would be a C string too. Where is my const char pointer? swap. IntelliSense, wake up. I didn't change here. Okay. Your header file is still outdated. Yep. Thank you. Just sometimes it just glitching. I could still think it's broken. Now it's fine. And here, what's happening? Come on, 2. So this one should be just username then. Now we need to understand how to change this. So I need to wait until it's 0, because if I will change immediately after the score, the ending fax will mess up my name. So something like that. And we got a problem, because constant char pointer and just char pointers. Because I forgot it here. Okay, while it's building, I will make a quick piece break, so stay tuned. Okay, it's built, it's good. Okay, where is the game? Now, injector, server connected. I think I will load the game for this. But I think I forgot one small detail, as how to pass the name here. I got username here, but I never added here. And how it was able to build, interesting. Well, let's try again. So username, where is parse? Okay. Username, we need to add here. When we are calling VIP here, we got username here. But because I want to be able to use the casing, I need user. Engine. So public string user name. And here we got the problem. User. Okay. User, but we don't need parse. User equal user string user. Correct. 227 string. Oh my fun. String. Okay, so it should be fine. Let's build them. What the hell is my hair? Okay. Come on. Inject. I need a debugger for this. Action. So I need this. And one of these items will be changing to our memory. Server connect. Breakpoint, hello. Okay, waiting for the message. VIP test. And error, unknown name. Interesting. Error name, unknown name. Let's breakpoint here. We'll be able to attach. No. Oh, so again, CheatEngine, come here. So we will need to look at this. Array of bytes. No. So that's okay. This reconnect. Now try again. This trigger. Unknown name. So we are failing even before. On parsing command apparently. Commands. Username. Yep. Because I named it differently. We can make a swap actually. I have a Newton, yes. I can just JSON name property username cannot be found. Let me find. JSON property attribute. I think I need some namespace to use it. No, JSON property, just okay. So now it should swap it to username and server will be glad. Yep, running VIP command. We get what the hell? We get ourselves a breakpoint. So username contains this. You can check it here. Yes, user is correct. Get in. We got section F60, section B1280. but I think we got a problem. I don't know the correct index for now. We will get nothing useful, I think. Let me check. Gotta love bytes being equal to chars and debug showing it as a string instead of numbers. Yep. It's really fun to watch. There is offset. DD124. Just right now, the index is incorrect. Offset is 1F F9. And it's a byte. So it's a 0. Then from here we got the 0 name. And what I want to see actually is the address of our username. It's this CC18. So if we will look at this memory, this should be changed right now to our memory. Let me grab it. Memory viewer. It's a string. We need more. The maximum must be 24. As far as I remember. So let's see. Let's should swap it. Whoop. And we got our memory. And it should return back our old memory. Swap is working, but logic is not. Because I forgot about order of things. So now we can see it's still 0. Okay. For now it works, but it should be after the stage 1. So right now it should be fine, but it's not working properly. Come on, mouse. So here I can't move my mouse to this. What the hell is happening? That's better. And we got the name of a user. Okay. So for now, name will not change because the game selected it. And voila, we got the user with a correct name. Yes. Voila. But if I will try and reload the game, if mouse will allow me, because sometimes it just stucks. And we will try again. Come on. Why it's not running? Interesting. This memory is still here. Oh, but because I restarted the game like this, I think I broke a little bit of memory. Is the code waiting for stage change? That's a good question. I forgot that reload doesn't drop everything in my part. So stage. Copy, paste. We need 1FA, as far as I remember. Yep, it's a stage. Stage is 0. Let's put it to the 2. Oh, okay. Let it finish then. Or we can just jump. I think, yeah, if I will just, yeah. Okay, he left. Nice. Yep, name changed back. So this is released. And we actually fixed our memory like that. We got back memory of a proper name. Changed but too early. Maybe. Unfortunately, I didn't make a mechanism for this to check if the game was reloaded. Okay, mouse, can you cooperate a little bit at least? Okay. Try again. We got invite, but index is actually 9 right now. But because I messed up the order, we again swapped the first item. And what will happen now, we will mess up the game text, because after VIP will leave, it will swap the wrong name with a wrong memory. Yeah, as you can see, there is a in-game name. And I swapped the 0th element again. So 0 element will be broken memory, actually. It will, I think, release the string. And 9th will be swapped with 0. Just adding some more randomness to the VIP names and possibly segfault, yeah. Segfault for life. Okay, we got this, and Minister of Health, as you can see, the name was swapped even before he left. So it's a stage 0. Ah, okay, so that's the problem. We need to swap it even later. Okay, so this must be changed to here, I think. So stage 1 is when game selected everything. And we can easily change the name. After I saw this video about Under the Sea, coding is modified to song about coding in C. I can't forget this video and the song. Interesting, can I run it? Will I be copyright striked for this? Do I have a audio? This one. Program in C. Awesome. Segfault. Um, Great ending. Yep. It will be interesting to insert here a special Easter egg, and for everyone who watched the series will know how to trigger a seg fault on the streamer's computer. So we can swap name after first stage. After second, we drop the time. Set score after 4 and swap back after 0. Let's try. Did I build it already or not? Yeah, up to date. Thank you. Let's build. Under the sea. Coding in C. Hey. Let's run this. Connect. It's connected. Nice. Let's test. Where is our debugger? Label. Hospital. Current dump. 1 F CBA. So here. Oh no, 1 FA. A little bit lower. So Minibomba, can you trigger? Make me a known owner. It should be available. Can you trigger the VIP? Low VIP, yes. There it comes. I misclicked. Your underscores it doesn't like. Okay. Interesting. It's on which? So it doesn't contain the font for underscores in the game. I wonder if the font is missing them. Yeah, apparently it is. Minor issue, yep. So yeah, as you can see, the name is working fine. No. We coming. And he's gone. they're so slow. Even on the highest speed, it's freaking long. Come on, mouse. Ah, that's annoying. Thank you for the highest reward, but your name got deleted before. So at which stage I need to swap it back then? Just I thought until I close the printer fax, it will not change the stage, but apparently it changes as soon as I click on it. Or even as soon as it popped out. Let me try it quickly. I wasn't paying attention to the actual value. So 1. Sound alert has expressed wish to visit your hospital. Okay, stage 3. He's touring. Really slow. It's 5th speed of the game and he's walking as a walking dead. So stage 3, he gave a score, I see. So there is a score, there is a stage. He left and it drops to 0 immediately. Okay, so I can't count on 0. So this pop-up doesn't have a separate stage. Or I'm messing. Wait a minute. 0. 1F. The 0 is a. It's B, 1FB. What am I looking at? It's a score. Stage is to the left, so stage is 4. So right now stage is 4. The name is in place. If I will look here, the index was 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. We can see the address in 09 memory region. It's sound alerts. Okay, so name is still here. But as soon as I open the pop-up, the stage will drop to 0. Yep, and name immediately swapped. So 4th stage is just to pop up the thing. As soon as you open, it will be 0 and my code will annihilate the name. There must be some variable indicating the fax is open. Yes, but I think it's like for every fax. So if I will open other fax in this time, it will again change. Of course, I can check for end values. Fax. We can try. If you open another fax before the VIP fax, the stage will stay at 4. If you open one after, the function will be already exited. Yeah, you are correct. So again, if I will change check end, like end fax is open. Something like that. Now we need to understand how to check the fax and where it is actually. Is there any info about fax? No. Maybe it's called somehow phone, machine. There is already a lot of unknown values still. I can make one interesting thing which I already did once. Interesting, is it? Yeah, the memory is here. So, breakpoint, can you go? So we got this handy thing. So right now I need an address 0, 3 yeah, and rest is the okay. Now where is the folder with the dumps? Memdumps. Where is memdump? Where is my old memdumps? Hospital data. Memdump. Fax closed. Now we are opening a fax and we are making another memory dump. Fax open. Now we open it with a binary reader, basically. And we just compare all. Chosen file are identical. So state of the fax is not in the hospital data. Just in case, compare, tile, okay. Fax closed, fax open. Yep, they are identical. We again can use CheatEngine. It's easier to find this stuff in it. Sorry. So by logic, it should be byte. And 1. So we got a lot. Now, if I will close it, it should change to the 0. We got a lot less. That's good. Come on, stop glitching. Now let's call the VIP. Now it's still 0. Still 0, 0. Now they stopped changing. Now we can open. And this scan for 1. "28 elements." Closed it. Now it should be 0, 27. But some kind of logical address is only 1. Let me go here and check it. We will name it. Is fax open? We can kind of look here and understand it from using sometimes. This is something enormous apparently. Okay, we can just look at this memory. Okay, we got another thing, and if I will open it, we get 1. So apparently we found the fax. Okay, let's try. Where is my code? Let's add it here, double word. Funcs is funcs open. Now we check. Where is it? Here. Is funcs open? Now manager. We need it should be public. Bool is funcs open. Now bool VIP manager is funcs open. And we will basically return byte pointer is funcs open offset. I forgot to add offset. Probably can just be a bool. Yep. I just copy pasted and didn't think. But I need to bool pointer and I need to cast it like the reference. So bool pointer, this address is a bool pointer. We are grabbing bool by the reference. A member function can be made const. I will not go there for now. So like that. Let's build. Yeah, you wasn't here at the start of the stream, so if you didn't hear, the last time I got a problem when a pointer was missing the point, like the address, by 2 times, and you suggested that this was because of a short is 2 byte. Yes, I read a little bit more about how pointers works, And he was correct. That's exactly what was happening. If you get a pointer of some type and you add just a number, a random number, this number is counted as a amount of elements of this size. So that's why it was going 2 times. So if I was change it to double word, it will go 4 times. That's why casting to byte was working here. So one way to avoid this kind of stuff, this, is to just divide offset by the size of type you are trying to use, or cheat with a byte pointers. Pointer math fun. Yes, but it makes sense after you think about it. It's much easier to do it this way. So let's try again. Only makes plus and more equal in terms of pointers. Yep. Connect. Opening. Connect. Come on. Trigger the VIP, please. It should be fine this time. Okay, I see a comment incoming. Mini bomb coming in. Oh, he's walking so slow. That's like a normal game speed at which you usually play. At the fastest speed. And he's still freaking slow. Voila, he gave us a score. Hey, you gave me a 4? Not epic. Up to 5. It means 5 included. And voila. It still doesn't work. Well, shit. I bet it's the end. Let's see. No. If I will place OR, we will basically get the same result as before, because it will be short-circuiting to here. It will get stage, and it will be enough for it to trigger. Maybe I messed up. Not open. While it's not a stage 0. So when it's stage 0, it will should be looping while either stage is not 0 or the fax is open. So while this true and this true, it will loop. It's not 0. It will loop. As soon as I open, it will drop to 0. And it will be false. And it will go here. Then I added here. It gives us a 0. I think first of all, I messed up here. Is fax, no, is fax open 1. So stage is 4, fax is 0. When I open, it came 0, it's 1. Currently, it's immediately returning because fax is not open when the VIP exits. It will loop while both of them true. And because it's a false, it will break immediately out of the loop. Just if I will replace it like that. It will break out if any of them is false. And this will still be false. So I need to get this. Fax gives us 0. And this gives us 4. So this gives us true. And this will give us true. And they will loop. As soon as I open, it drops. And this drops. What the hell, why I can't think of the simple if. Build? Yep. It was quick. Try again. Try again. Oh, I will need to connect you. Now we will see. Come on. 5. That's better. Okay, let's make it easier for us. I think he remembers the old place always, and he will go there. Yep. He's like a ghost. He remembers the old place of a reception. And he goes there. Yep. Voila, we got thing. This loop is not breaking, and right now it will break. So as soon as I open, this swap is happening. Is this enough to swap it? Maybe it happened too fast because I was switching from one to another. Let me try it myself. Farsal. Okay. And he left. Still. So like that, the swap will. So I need to make a swap after I close the fax. Or maybe I need to change stage to 0. I think I can do it both ways. Ah, no, this will go false every time. Or, okay. It will loop while it will not drop out. In this case, I'm missing. Okay, let's connect everything. You can trigger while I'm connecting. Okay, everything is connected. Okay, come in. Okay, everything fine. Na 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 na. Okay, so we should trigger the breakpoint after I close the fax, not open. Nope. We again lost. Here's the problem with my logic. Lost idea. But I think this will be triggering drop every time then. Just immediately. Don't tell me there's a tick of fax being closed after stage gets set to 0. As soon as you open it, stage switches to 0. As you click on it, even. And game froze. I didn't even start it properly. No, 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 no. I don't need a copyright. Okay, so my Bluetooth discharged. So let me save it like that. Oop. Now inject, connect, and you can trigger debugger. Thank you. Okay. Okay, we got this. We are not breaking. And if I open, we immediately here. And I can see already. No, I see the old stuff. And the game froze. Nah. Just make 3 loops, one for stage change, one for fax opening, and one for fax closing. Let me quickly check this again, because there was a sense in this way. So we will do without debugger. Oh, the save broke. Ish. VIP, come on. Oh. VIP in the building. One. I've far, far away. It didn't work. Okay. So we set a score. This time it's a stage 4. Maybe I just need to change the stage here and not check for 0. Or maybe I just need to change this thing with like places. Swap them. So this, we got stage 4. When he leaves, it's a stage 4. When this thing pop-ups, it's a stage 4. This time, stage 4, fax closed. As soon as I click, stage became 0, fax became 1. So I need stage 4, fax 0. As soon as I close the fax. So 3 loops, one for stage, one for fax, one for fax closing. So while VM get stage not equal 0, we are looping. As soon as we click, we are getting stage 0 and we're getting fax 1. So as far as is fax open, we are looping. And when Fox is closed, we are stop looping and swapping the name. Just while Fox is closed is useless, I think. No. Yes. Just we will not get here until we don't break this, and this will break only when it's open. Just as soon as I click, it will drop stage. I will drop here, and Fox will be opened. So while it will immediately give me false, and it will just go here. Question, if this is a game, sets Fox first or sets stage first? That's a good question. The stage is firm, then there's some tiny silver of time where stage is 0 and Fox is closed. So that Fox open check isn't that useless. We can just again test it. Build. I think I know what's happening. 0, it's autosave. I need first. Okay, I will not attach a debugger for now. Where is my injector? Let's try again. Did we recompile? Yes. Succeeded. Okay. Now let's see. It works like that. Just for another test. Okay. Yep, it works. So apparently, yeah, there is some like timing issues. Race condition, yep. Between stage and fax. Just if I will wait until fax is open. No, if I will open any fax, it will trigger this while and it will drop here. And as soon as I open next one, we will, if I will remove this, we will again swap the stuff. And if I will remove this, we again will return. Connect. Oh, wrong action. Channel revert. Okay. Okay, he left. And again, yeah, we are breaking stuff. Okay, for now we will leave it like that. It's really strange and we need to deal with it, but it will be later. Is this all for VIP actually? So it's spawning, it's changing its name. It's dropping wait time so we don't wait. Then we set score and we swap back. Seems fine. About drop wait time, I want to check quickly, like 5 minutes I got. There must be a memory, I think, same for the Quake. Where is the hospital data? Emergency, disaster, Quake. There is nothing about Quake. Where is my bookmark for Quake? Quake stage. It's stage itself. I need a Quake control. No, it's Quake control. Where is the function for Quake stager? Quake stage. This. No, stager. 75. So we got this. Quake next tick. Game clock plus random tick by 50. Okay, so this is responsible for the next tick. Uh, 17B. Quake next game tick. It's not this, because this is a 11B7. I need this 11-7B. Double word Quake next clock offset. How I copied something different. So let me set Quake next. Where is the run? Commands. Command Quake, replace next, km drop wait time. Public void drop wait time. Quick manager. So where is my VIP manager? This. This name is incorrect. VIP clock. Just again copy it from here and forgot to rename properly. This and this Quake clock module base, hospital data offset we don't need. This we don't need. This we don't need. It will be int pointer module base. Where is and this. Int and I should be able to drop the Quake timers, so it will be triggered immediately after a reward was redeemed. So there will be no waiting time. Shake gently. Twitch. Channel reward. Redemption. Shake it gently. Enabled. Should be fine, I think. Next tick is double word. Okay. This is written in several places. Game clock plus 100. It's used and for the next stage of a Quake also. But for us it should be fine. Let's build it. And we will be finishing for today. Just it's a little bit annoying when you trigger something on Twitch and you get delay of the broadcast, and also if the game will delay the start of this Quake, how it's supposed to delay it, it's too long to wait for the viewer, I think. So I am trying to drop every possible timer. Because when you call the VIP, it takes half a month in the game before it arrives. So I found where it's set and I immediately dropped it. Now I remember that there should be the same thing for the Quakes. So I hope it will be dropped also right now. And for emergency, there is also, I think, timer, which I need to drop later. Connect. I disconnected accidentally. Let me trigger emergency myself. And it waits. So it didn't work actually. Timer wasn't dropped. Ah, no, I need specific address. Ooh, where is it? Quick manager. So it dropped to 0. You edited the quake delay but triggered emergency. Thank you. I'm stupid. And my code is stuck on waiting for emergency. Let me trigger it. Now we got this to true, and let's test this. Quake. And we got immediately the quake. Can you trigger more, please? So I tested. So it wasn't another quake. Yep, it works. So second delay, I think I will not drop. So streamer can prepare itself. Or we will destroy the hospital. Now let's try again. The last one, and we will be wrapping up. Yep, quake coming. Yep. I think it works fine. So let me just quickly glance. I can't wait. Game will not progress if I will go out. Yes, it's ended. For the emergency, is there the same thing? We have a timeout. Emergency enabled. Game tick. Okay, I think I will not be able to find it like that right now. So we will see it next time. So thank you everyone who joined us today. As usual, thank you Mini Bomba for your help with pointers and logic. I don't have enough logic in me. Come on, breakpoint, stop triggering. So I will see you all on the next week, as usual. Have a good rest of your day, Have a good rest of your week. Have a good weekend. And bye-bye.